Hi guys, it's Miss Jones. I wanted to make this video so we could go over what it means to make an inference and the type of things we need in order to make our inference. Okay, so I'm gonna be writing some notes and I'll show you guys what I'm writing in just a second, but we're gonna talk about making inferences, right? Making inferences. See, it's backwards, I know. Making inferences. So the first thing we need when we're making an inference is we need schema. I don't know, have you guys ever heard the word schema before? If you haven't, schema is our background knowledge or what we already know about something. So our schema is what I already knew. What I already knew. And everyone has schema. Everyone has background knowledge on most things. And you get that when you're using it in a text and you're reading a text. After you read it, you have background knowledge about that text. And maybe the text is talking about something that you do or you enjoy. So maybe it's about fishing. And if you know how to fish and you won't know all kinds of things about fishing, you have that background knowledge. Yeah, so we have our schema, what I already knew or know. So what I already know. But we can't just use our background knowledge. Like we need other things as well. And the other thing we need is our text evidence. And that's our clues from the text. So we have our background knowledge about the subject, but then we got to use the text. So our text evidence, our clues, then we got to use the text to help us to gain more knowledge about the subject, to find more clues so that we can make an inference. So your schema plus text evidence equals inference, right? And when we're writing about our inference, there are some ways to say them. So when we write it in our sentences or in our worksheet with our answers, we're going to say things like, I infer, or perhaps this happened, or maybe this happened, or I think this based on this information. So we got I infer, perhaps. So when you're answering questions, that's what we want. So when I'm asking you to make an inference about something based on our worksheet, that's how you're going to answer. Is I infer. So I infer, perhaps, maybe this happened. Yeah. So that's all I really wanted to show you is making an inference. We got to use our background knowledge and our text, our clues to make an inference. So yeah, there's going to be a picture of this on your worksheet. So make sure you get it copied down in your notes, okay?